Aerospace sheet metal industry is facing a lot of challenge at the moment. The biggest challenge is the ramp up in production rates. Second challenge is the tension on raw material supply. We have also energy crisis, that is a big problem, and also a huge tension on skilled human resources. That's the main one. But at the moment, the biggest challenge is to make aviation more sustainable. So now, how the airline industry has to reinvent itself to overcome all these challenges. So we can say that Bmax is a breakthrough because we are proposing and offering a disruptive process that answers all the different needs of aerospace sheet metal actors. Our process allows to lower the cost of production, have a better quality, and without any impact on the metal part. So Bmax process is based on a smart concept. We use electrical energy, small quantity of energy, that we are able to concentrate in a really small, short time. By this way, we are able to produce a huge amount of power. We call it pulse power. With this pulse power, we are able to accelerate the metal part with a very high deformation speed. With this deformation speed, the metal parts behave like a liquid. That makes a lot of advantage in terms of forming, welding, or crimping. Our process are able to provide all kinds of parts that you can't produce with conventional process. So Bmax proposal for aerospace is based on two pillars. We can both provide manufacturing systems or we can produce parts. We are focusing on really complex parts, engine parts, airframe structural parts, or heat exchanger parts. Bmax is proposing a unique capability regarding simulation. With our simulation experience, we are able to optimize the process, to avoid the scrap, to reduce the lead time, and we are able to do this in both conventional process and high-speed process. This is a unique offer in the market, and all Bmax way of working is based on the simulation optimization. So Bmax has a worldwide footprint. The main headquarters is in Toulouse, in France. We have in Toulouse all the manufacturing workshop and also all the engineering teams. We have two commercial sites, one in the US, in Detroit, and one in Tokyo, Japan. I'm really confident that Bmax could be your game-changing partner to overcome all your challenges and resolve all your issues.